In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix right-click context menu not disappearing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Control Space Panel. Once done typing, please wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. Now here, you need to change the view into large icons, so click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you're done, you need to locate with the option called System, which is in my case being placed at the fifth column next to Security and Maintenance. Click on it, and that way you would be redirected to the system settings. All you need to do is you need to wait until you would be redirected here. So please proceed with the related links and click on Advanced System Settings. Click on it, and eventually you would be able to bring up this kind of window. Once here, please close the settings as well as this one so that we can focus in this one. So please proceed with settings under the performance, and you can see there fade out menu items after clicking. So you need to uncheck it, click on apply, and then OK, and click on OK. And in that way, you would be able to fix the problem. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.